Hello and welcome. What is YouTube automation? What if you could run a YouTube channel without filming videos, without showing your face, without editing anything at all? Some creators are building online YouTube businesses using something called YouTube automation, and they're making a lot of money, or their YouTubes are going viral, the channels are going viral. But what exactly is it? And is it actually realistic for a beginner? This video is for beginners or for people who are looking to start a YouTube channel, but they don't want to show their faces. Okay? So in this video, I'll explain what YouTube automation is, how it works, and whether it is a real opportunity or just a hype. Okay? So most people believe starting YouTube channel requires experience, equipment, expensive equipment, experience, being comfortable on camera, taking a longer hours editing, and years to grow an audience. For many beginners, those barriers stop them from even trying. But over the last few years, a different model for has become more popular. It's called faceless YouTube channels. People are making videos without showing their faces. People are making videos without editing. People are making videos just using AI tools, okay? These channels publish videos regularly, build audience, and generate income monthly. So without the creator appearing on camera, just like the way I'm doing this, the model is often called YouTube automation, okay? Apologies on that. So YouTube automation simply means running a YouTube channel like a small media business. So instead of doing everything yourself, the work is handled by a team or a system. Typically, YouTube automation channel involves scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, a video editor, and someone managing uploads. The channel owner focuses on choosing the niche, managing the content, and growing the channels. But truly speaking, things have changed. Nowadays, it's a one business man or one business person. Because with the tools that are available, you can script write, you can go to ChatGPT and write your own script. You can do a voiceover like Level Lab. You can do video editing like CapCut. You don't need someone to do all those things. You can compile your own video yourself. Okay? So if uh, if you're interested to start a YouTube channel and you don't know where to start, I will leave a free ChatGPT prompt that will help you. You will just plug in on ChatGPT and it will give you channel ideas that you can start, faceless channel ideas that you can start. Okay, so go to my description below. I will leave a link that you can just, it's free. And if you need more, like for other doing other things, other prompts, you can still get them on the description. But This video is not for that. This video is for faceless YouTube channels, okay? And again, the channel owners focuses on choosing and managing the niche, like I said earlier. But this is similar to how online business operates. You build a system instead of doing everything alone, okay? Many of these channels are also called faceless channels because the creator doesn't appear on video. You are probably already seen this type of content without realizing it. Example includes channel about business and finance, tech explainers, documentaries, top 10 list, history and science. And this video often use stock footage, graphic, voiceover, and background music, uh, paid and free, okay? So you can start it for free or you can start paid. One well-known example of channel business success story is technology breakthroughs, okay? This view, the viewers never sees the creator, but the content still performs well. And when channels grows, it can generate income. YouTube ads, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, digital products, okay? Like any online business model, YouTube automation has both advantages and risk. Let's start with the benefit. One advantage is scalability. Instead of the person doing everything, the channel can grow with the team or outsourced or a person. Another benefit, flexibility. You can do other things. You don't need to appear on camera or build personal brand. This is why many creators run multiple faceless channels. But there are also risks. YouTube automation is not a passive at the beginning. It requires research, planning, content management, consistency. Another challenge is YouTube is competitive, okay? A channel still need valuable content and good storytelling to succeed. And like any other business, results are never guaranteed, okay? Results are never guaranteed. If you're curious about sharing with you, starting a YouTube channel, here are a few beginner's tips. First, choose simple niche, okay? Good beginner niche includes technology, business, AI tools, and education content, okay? Second, focus on quality over quantity. Many beginners try to upload dozens of low-quality videos, but YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching. Third, learn the basic of the YouTube SEO. That include clear titles, strong thumbnails, and topics people are already searching for. And finally, start small. Instead of outsourcing everything immediately, many creators begin by using simple tools, scripting, voiceovers, and editing, okay? So some people also choose to explore done-for-you systems, where a team helps build and manage the channel. These systems are designed for people who want to start faster without learning everything, technical stuff. So if you're curious about the platforms like that, I've placed a link in the description so that you can explore how they work, okay? And just make sure to do your own research and understanding. Do your own research and understand the process before jumping in, okay? So the biggest takeaway is this. YouTube automation is not magic shortcut, that's one thing, but it can be powerful business model if approached with the right expectation. Instead of thinking about YouTube as a hobby. Think about it as building digital media system. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Done For You Income, to subscribe to my channel, where we break down online income system, automation strategies, and digital business models. And if you want to explore the platform mentioned in this video, you will find them linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.